Today, we're comparing Google's Pixel 8 Pro and Apple's iPhone 15 Pro Max to help you make an informed decision between these two flagship smartphones. Let's dive into the details. First, let's talk about design. The Pixel 8 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max maintain their distinctive aesthetics. The Pixel features rounded edges and a friendly look, while the iPhone boasts a luxurious titanium frame. Your choice here comes down to personal style. Next, the display. The Pixel 8 Pro sports a 6.7-inch OLED display with impressive specs, including high resolution, a high refresh rate, and HDR support. The iPhone 15 Pro Max offers a similar-sized OLED display with slightly lower specs. On paper, the Pixel has the edge, but real-world performance matters more, and both screens are fantastic. Now let's look under the hood. The Pixel 8 Pro is powered by Google's Tensor G3 chip, promising improved performance. The iPhone 15 Pro Max, on the other hand, features Apple's powerful A17 Pro chip, known for its gaming and video editing capabilities. If you want raw power and smooth performance, the Pro Max is the choice. Battery life and charging. The iPhone offers good battery life but slower charging. We can't provide full details on the Pixel 8 Pro's battery yet, but we hope for consistency compared to its predecessor. In terms of software, the Pixel 8 Pro runs on Android 14 with a promise of updates for 7 years. Android 14 offers customization, enhanced health and security features, and Ultra HDR for top-notch photos and videos. The iPhone 15 Pro Max runs iOS 17, delivering improved phone functionality, seamless contact sharing, enhanced FaceTime, and more. Android allows for more customization, while iOS provides a smoother user experience. The Pixel 8 Pro boasts impressive cameras, including a 50-megapixel main camera, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 48-megapixel telephoto camera, and a 10.5-megapixel front camera. While we can't confirm performance yet, based on the Pixel 7 Pro, these cameras should be good. The iPhone 15 Pro Max also features capable cameras, including a 48-megapixel main camera, a periscope telephoto camera, an ultra-wide camera, and a 12-megapixel selfie camera. While it may not be the absolute best, it's still highly capable. Both phones can capture great photos and videos, making them suitable for most users, but professional photographers might find better options elsewhere. In terms of pricing, the Pixel 8 Pro starts at $999 for the 128GB model and can go higher for more storage. The iPhone 15 Pro Max begins at $1,100 for the 256GB variant and offers various storage options. Both are on the pricey side, so budget-conscious buyers might lean towards the Pixel 8 Pro. Ultimately, your personal preferences are the deciding factor. If you're an Android enthusiast, the Pixel 8 Pro is an excellent choice. If you're loyal to Apple, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is a top-notch option. The main performance difference lies in the iPhone's A17 Pro chip, but don't overlook the Pixel 8 Pro. It's a compelling alternative. Make your choice wisely and enjoy your tech journey with either the Pixel 8 Pro or the iPhone 15 Pro Max. If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech content, and don't forget to ring the notification bell to stay updated. Peace out.